It was a vibrant energy outside, but when I came home, it was contrasted with the silence of my apartment. So yesterday I went to a Mandarin meetup group, kind of practice my Mandarin. I haven't been speaking it in years now. It has gotten really rusty. I mean, I could introduce myself and everything, but then I really struggled when they went into conversations, like they were talking about computer science or like what people studied in university. Immediately when I came home, looked up for Mandarin classes, and today will be the day. In 2 hours, I will be taking my first Mandarin class, and hopefully I will be able to speak more fluently.
我喜欢吃美食，美食 means delicious food.
的工作经历。
Yeah.
冰。
冰。
While practicing my tones, I sometimes feel like I sound more like I'm trying to summon a dragon than introduce myself. Oh my god!
但我觉得你读得很好。
That was the first class. So the next round hopefully will expand into different topics, and then I'll be able to have a full conversation in Mandarin. Wish me luck! I'm making this for dessert. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. I think I'm gonna have some milk with it. Yes, she said. One for me, one for you. It's actually so good because it's not too sweet. Also signed up for jazz dance classes. Yeah, me, who has 2 left feet and 0 dancing experience, basically flailing around like a newborn giraffe while trying to master my leaps and pirouettes. I'm watching this show. It's called Worst Roommate Ever. It's actually really good, so you should check it out. It's about former roommates and murder and squatters and scams and all that stuff. It's really, really interesting. Just gonna put that away now because I've got frozen stuff. And this one, I bought another track for my curtains because I've got blackout curtains. Hopefully that really blocks out all the light, but let's unpack all of these groceries. I've also got this handy dandy tool. See if it works. Not sure how watching Worst Roommate Ever sparked this wild idea, but suddenly the thought of a roommate stuck in my head. So of course I started an internal debate with myself. Pros, companionship, who doesn't want a furry buddy? Cons, I don't know how long I'll be in New York, so I can't commit. So perhaps I could foster. But my apartment is tiny, so definitely nothing big. But with my schedule resembling a game of Tetris, there's no time for walks, so no dogs. That leaves us with a rabbit or a cat. But before my overthinking could stage an intervention, I'd already submitted the application. Oh well, I guess it's too late now. I had these stick-on curtains, and this rod right here was being held up by these brackets, but these brackets weren't strong enough, like with the sticky tape that I had on them. They kept falling off. So now I got these rails. Do these look straight to you? I mean, it's kind of straight, right? It's kind of... It's really not straight at all. Oh my god, it looks so stupid. It looks pretty freaking janky. Do you see? Hopefully you can't really see it from far, but it's like pretty crooked. Oh my god. Days later, a text arrives. Interview scheduled. My inner voice whispers, don't ever choose me. Spoiler alert, they did choose me. Not just chose, they represented me with cat options. Multiple furry potential roommates waiting for their new New York adventure. And just like that, my solo New York chapter was about to get a whole lot more interesting, one per at a time. Anyways, quick update. Tomorrow, Sunshine, which is the name of the cat that I'll be fostering, will be with me. Enter Chovis, a tabby who was as scared as I was when I made the move to New York City.
The little kids say, Chovina, like sobrina.
She started off a timid shadow hiding in my closet. I mean, who could blame her? The city can be intimidating. But as each day passes, she's blossomed into the biggest cuddle monster. Seriously, she's practically glued to my side, purring louder than a subway train during rush hours. And let me tell you, this girl knows how to entertain herself. Whether she's chasing her own tail or batting around her toys like she's rehearsing for the next big feline Broadway show, she's got it all covered. And who needs Netflix when you have an adorable cat putting a one cat performance every night in your living room? Waters around the place because she'll put her head in and she'll start drinking my water, and she does it really sneakily. Like when I'm not looking, she'll do it, and then I'll hear her, and then when I like run to go see if she's drinking my water, she'll jump off really quickly. But I know she drank my water. She had a wet mouth and I heard it. Besides that, she's a really, really good cat. You cleaning yourself? Sometimes life's most unexpected moments arrive when you're busy making other plans, and sometimes they come with whiskers. Looks like we're finding our places in this city together. Just a few weeks ago, I was navigating life here alone, but looks like my buddy here is just as lost as I am. So here we are, two unlikely roommates, and as I prepare to help her find her forever home, I know that this is just the beginning of our adventure. So here's to new beginnings and finding our places in this city together. Who knows what tomorrow might bring.